Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video, we are going to find the equation of release irrigation lines in the form y hat is equal to a plus bx. So we need to know the formula for the slope, the formula for the y-intercept. Okay, so here the formula for the slope represents r times sy divided by sx. For the y-intercept, a is equal to y bar minus b of x bar. So we have our critical points here, protein representing our x variables and fats representing our y's. If we wanted to see this on a graphical scale, we would have proteins at the bottom on x and we'll have fats represented on y. So you'll see where the trend is. We are asked to find the slope and the y-intercept. So using these two formulas, so that's slope and that's y-intercept, we can put in the critical points to find the values of b and the values of a. So let's go. So b is equal to r times sy. R is 0.83 times sy, which is 16.4, divided by sx, which is 14. So let's do the calculation right here. So 0.83 times 16.4 is 13.612. Then divide that by 14. And b is equal to 0.972. I'm leaving mine to 3 decimal places. Now I need to find my a value, which is my y-intercept. So a is equal to y bar 23.5 minus b, which is 0.972, put it in parentheses, times by x bar, which is 17.2. Wow, it's a very small space. So we can put everything in our calculator at once. So 23.5 times minus 0.972 times 17.2. And that came out to be a is equal to 6.7816. Alright, so our slope, which is our b value, is equal to 0.972, and our y-intercept is 6.7816. From here, we can write our equation in the form y equal m, I just end it, guys. Y hat is equal to a plus bx. Alright? So, meaningful variables basically is asking us to tell what this means in the real world. And since as x represents protein and fat represents by the y, we can say fat hat is equal to a 6.7816 plus our b value 0.972, and protein represents x, so we say protein right here. Alright, now we want to interpret this data. So what is the slope, what's the intercept saying? So we can say the initial fat content in a sandwich is 6.7816 grams, and this increases by 0.972 for every gram of protein added. So the more protein you add to your gram of protein added. So the more protein you add to your sandwich, the higher the fat content will be. And the bottom part here that I'm talking about, the interpretation part, may be different based on how you speak, but once you can tell the relationship between the fat and the protein content in your sandwich, you should be good. And that's the end of today's video. If you have any questions, please leave it below. I'll be happy to respond to you as quick as I can. If you have any other requests, let me know and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you very much for coming. Remember to complete your worksheets.